Okay. Fix brown pegs in 9th line. Krishna, it's okay. Fix brown pegs in 9th line. Very good. Don't play games, Krishna. Very good. Good understanding. Very good. Fixing brown pegs. Finish. Next aduga amma. Amma. Next. Aim color. Fix cheyali. No. Go and bring orange color pegs. Go. Walk properly. Very good. Good boy. Good doing, Krishna. Fix orange pegs in 2nd line. Very good. Wow, Krishna, super. Fixing pegs. Cheppu. Fixing all pegs. Finish. Good job. Bye bye.